Hello friends, today I am going to teach part 41 about my friend. My friend in Sinhalese mage mitura, my mage friend mitura. My best friend is Sydney. My mage best hondama friend මිතුරා මගේ හොඳම මිතුරා Sydney. My best friend is Sydney. This is verb. In Sinhalese sentence, no verb. This is spoken Sinhalese. He is 16 years old. ඔහුගේ his ඔහුගේ වයස අවුරුදු 16යි. ඔහුගේ වයස අවුරුදු 16යි. He is very kind. ඔහු. This is verb. In Sinhalese sentence, no verb. This is spoken Sinhalese. He is very kind. ඔහු. Very ඉතා kind කරුණාවන්තයි. His favorite fruit is banana. ඔහුගේ ප්‍රියතම පළතුර කෙසෙල්ය. ඔහුගේ favorite ප්‍රියතම fruit පළතුර banana කෙසෙල්. This is verb. In this Sinhalese sentence, there is verb. This is the verb. Yeah. His favorite fruit is banana. ඔහුගේ ප්‍රියතම පළතුර කෙසෙල්ය. Is yeah. His favorite color is yellow. ඔහුගේ his favorite ප්‍රියතම color පාට is. This is verb. yellow කහ පාට this is verb. His ambition is to be a teacher. ඔහුගේ ambition අනාගත බලාපොරොත්තුව is to be a teacher. ගුරුවරයෙකු වීමයි. His ambition is to be a teacher. ඔහුගේ අනාගත බලාපොරොත්තුව ගුරුවරයෙකු වීමයි. මගේ ඔහු his ඔහුගේ. Today your lesson is over. Thank you very much. Goodbye.